Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a budget plan on Credit Karma. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Credit Karma accounts. You can log into your Credit Karma accounts on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on the budgeting tab. Now once you have done that, you want to connect your bank accounts and your credit cards to track your your income and your expenses. Next, you can set budget goals and categorize your expenses according, like transportation, utilities, bills, and whatnot. You can have those in categories, and you can create a budget plan based on your income and expenses. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a budget plan on Credit Karma. I hope you guys found the video useful. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.